It's a 2017 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, digital instrument gauges, front heated bucket seats, remote engine start, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and streaming audio. Edmunds.com highlights lots of room for passengers and cargo, high fuel economy, user-friendly controls, ample tech and family-friendly features, nimble handling. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.